Gonna leave that pool closed cause I ain't got time to open it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Man, don't be getting your panties all up in a juicy wad. We love doing DoorDash. We love it. We love doing DoorDash. Yes, sir. Cleaning up that dog shit and cleaning up the yard. Putting that big old fat turd in a bonfire. I'm fucking out of here. I'm gonna go get me some fucking White Castles and some fries and some onion rings and a large milkshake and eat and go to fucking bed. Looks like I'm gonna have to wait on them White Castles, which is good because they give me the shits. My buddy, he goes wherever I go. My buddy, me and my buddy go everywhere. Ain't that right, Rimmy Shoeshine? Better tighten up your butt clips, because it's about to go down. Come on, bro. Leave that cat alone, bro. Son of a bitch. He won't leave that cat alone. Son of a bitch. Leave that cat alone, Remy. Leave it alone, buddy. Leave it alone, buddy. Leave that cat alone, buddy.
Heel, motherfucker. Heel. Heel, motherfucker. Heel. Heel, motherfucker. Heel. Heel, motherfucker.
I'll be the one you save. She sure is burning good now, buddy. She sure is burning now good, buddy. Real good. Yes, sir. Yeah, boy. Picking up more dog shit in the yard and throwing it on the campfire. Cause that's what we do when we got to renew this yard from all the dog shit. These ain't thongs. They are tongs. They're perfect for picking up dog shit in your yard, to put it in a bonfire, to clean it up so your child can play in the yard without getting dog shit on his shoes. Yes, sir, kid. Man, I know one thing. This fucking bonfire smells like dog shit. It fucking stinks. It's fucking gross, bro. Look at that love and affection. If you got an animal, give him a little bit of love every once in a while. If you ain't gonna give your dog any love and affection every once in a while, you might as well not even have one, sucker. Ain't that right, Remy? Ain't that right? Picking up more dog shit in the yard and throwing it on the campfire. Cause that's what we do when we got to renew this yard from all the dog shit.